Hi everyone, this is Introduction to JCAATs, a Python-based CAATs. JCAATs involve many AI functions for you to do the data analytic, text mining and prediction. This is one of a series lessons on the topic of JCAATs. This module is to introduce analyze commands. In this lesson we are to cover off classifying data. So this is probably one of the most common functions that you do data analytic, just super useful, really great way of analyzing or identifying patterns in your data. Let's just get started. We are going to start from the dataset that is a sample data in JCAATs. Make sure you check out videos 1 the module project, and see what you're following along sequentially and you're able to keep pace. So what we're going to do is we are going to essentially, I want to know the question is I have is, are there any particular countries where there's abnormal amount of salaries? That's a really good question. So what we're going to do, open employee table and then we go on classify on. So we are on the classify command interface. The command asks you what field do you want to classify on. It can be text, numeric, and datetime fields in JCAATs. The classify on field tell you what do you want to categorize by. So in this case, we use the field country, and then select salary field as the subtotal file. The result what you'll see here is it'll tell you the country, the number of transactions occurred, the number of records, the percentage of the counts, that's really helpful as well. The percentage of the field total, and then the total of the salary. In Iran, we have a large mass salary. You can drill down and show the detailed transactions.